Oh boys, we got a warm one today. Not that you can tell by me looking at the sky what temperature it is, but it is 56 degrees out right now. By the way, giveaway is going pretty good. You guys bought all my decals. I completely sold out last night. What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fabulous today. Guys, some things I want to point out. A, first off, the giveaway is going very well. I thought we were gonna have more than enough decals and, you know, whatever. We sold out of everything when it comes to decals. I had quite a few in stock. You guys bought all of them up last night. There were people ordering several at a time even. I mean, yeah, it's going pretty well. You know, gotta rep that Team Loud and Proud hoodie today. Got the hats as well. The hats are in stock. We do have more of these hats still. Like I said, we've got trucker style, which is what I'm wearing right now, or we got the snapback style. We've also got t-shirts on the website. The Loud and Proud, Team Loud and Proud t-shirt that I've wore a couple of times. You haven't really, it's hard to see, especially this recent time. I've had a lot of layers of clothes on, you know, I can't wear a t-shirt over top of my coats and stuff. But, you know, we do have those available. In the left corner, this is just a little small Team Loud and Proud badge. And then on the back, it's a logo about this size, maybe a little bit bigger, stamped on the back. And so yeah, those are available on the website, guys. We only need, I have a certain goal for the t-shirt sales. We've only got to sell like, I think 7 more. Okay, so if we can sell 7 more t-shirts, I know there's gonna be about 10,000 people that see this video minimum. If we can sell 7 more t-shirts, that would be awesome. I like to let you guys know this kind of stuff, not that it really matters. I don't just take my money, I throw it and spend it on random things. Everything that I earn, I try to take every penny that I possibly can to reinvest back into this kind of stuff. You see what I'm saying? That's where it's going, if you're wondering. It doesn't go anywhere else other than to the channel, strictly into the truck stuff. Really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Link in description for merch. Now that that's all out of the way, let's talk about what we're gonna try to do today, because frankly, I have no idea. I've been packaging stuff up all freaking morning. Shop shirts are shipping out tomorrow. I promise you, they're shipping out tomorrow. It's been about a month. Guys, it is a lengthy process getting all that stuff packaged up, orders, everything custom made, ready to go. It's just a really lengthy process, but that stuff is shipping out tomorrow. There were a lot of them. It took me, I think, 4 hours to get all that stuff packaged up and ready to ship. And it got too late in the day to where I have to still film the video, and there's not much time for the post office to be open anyhow, so it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I do apologize. Really tight schedule currently. Something I just remembered. Do you guys remember back when I was getting ready to go to Pennsylvania and I did the number 0 fuel plate and I did the AFC tuning on the housing right before I left that morning? I got up at freaking 5:30, and as I was out here working on this thing, freaking -5 that day. I remember trying to have a heater and everything, and then I had to edit that video and fly that day. But anyways, all that aside, we didn't even get to start up the truck since then. Now I have started up since then. I take that back. I have started up. I started up once and then idle for about 5 minutes. But I'm saying we never started up the truck and even pulled it out of the barn since then to actually see if that like give a little bit more power. Like, I don't know. Yeah, you know, and this truck is an automatic, so I forgot I can vlog and drive this truck. However, it's not plated. That's the only downfall. Like, I could probably take it for a drive, but I just can't go off of our road. Like, I need to stay on our road, which is about a mile long, and I have to just turn around and come back because I ain't taking the risk of driving this thing without a plate on it, you know what I'm saying? So I have like 0 traffic on our road, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, let's get the truck started up and actually pull it out of the barn and see if, with just a little drive, if I can notice anything different about it. About this four-wheeler, I thought the throttle cable was sticking like permanently on that thing because it was kind of like sticking one time, which was going to be part of the deal. Like, if somebody bought it, we were going to drop it off at the shop first, get the throttle cable from stop sticking or whatever. The thing is totally responsive and it goes in and it backs off immediately just like it should. I guess the time that I did drive it and I thought it was sticking, it was like freaking cold as crap out here. Maybe it was fuel issues, like, I don't know, but it seems to be acting just fine. But we're going to get the truck started up and pull it on out of here. Hopefully it starts up. It's pretty warm out, but you know, they haven't been plugged in, and I don't know 100% if the batteries are great or not. Yeah, this is going to be tough. thought it was going to be getting it out. So.
Hillbilly smokestack. I'm probably going to take that and re-fasten it down over in that far corner, and that was so that it didn't sway back and forth and fall off.
With this truck, because I didn't do the star wheel and I didn't do the smoke screw. We're going to see if we can take it for a little spin. Here we go. We're going to do it. We're going to go on the road. Now guys, if you don't have a plate on your truck, never go on the road. The only reason I'm doing this is because A, I just need vlog content, bro. I just freaking need vlog content. That's no way to justify this. Do not go on the road if you don't have plates or anything like that. This truck does not see the road ever. Now I don't know exactly what I'm trying to find here. I guess just to see how much faster it is, if I can remember correctly. Hear that? I don't know what that is. That's like the eeriest sounding thing I've ever heard. You guys gotta hear that whistling sound. Well, that is weird sounding, bro. I don't know what that is, but I don't like it. Let's see if it does it on the way back. I can't tell if it was just a little turbo whistle or if it was like something bad. But it was weird, like howling sound, like the whistling sound, but like. Now let's do it again. Here with the windows down, like it's weird. So much for my like speed test. Weird sound, guys. This is the weirdest thing I've ever heard. I don't like it. It's weird. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it. Really nice second gen at my neighbor's house. He's working, I think it's his nephew's or something. At Randy's house. There's a nice second gen at Randy's house. It doesn't seem right driving this truck. It feels weird. Without a bed on it. Not a dually, it just seems weird now. I know what that little shaking sound is. That's that freaking four-wheel drive system down. I don't know if you guys heard it or not on camera, but it was almost like a turbo sound, but like more of like a howling sound to it. I don't know, it's just weird.
I don't see any odd leaks or anything. If anybody has an idea of what they think it might be, and trust me, I know what turbo whistle sounds like. I don't know what that was. It was just weird to me, I don't know.
But now I gotta wash this freaking truck. Probably got salt and snow and dirt and crap thrown all over it because A, it doesn't have a bed, so now it just throws it all over the frame and crap. And B, I don't think it's been washed in a long time anyways, even from just sitting in there. Dust and dirt and crap on it.
This truck needs washed too, so I might throw up a pressure washer together real quick and spray both these trucks down real fast.
packing it in. I've had yet. You can see where the tire marks were. I didn't hit anything. All I did was wash my mirror and stayed as close as I could to the first gen, which I know you guys are probably freaking out. Oh, that's a tight fit. I wouldn't do that. Well, I was aware of my surroundings and I knew I wasn't gonna hit it. As close as I got, I knew I wasn't gonna hit it. Kept in my mirror and watched my mirror itself to make sure it didn't hit the truck. Parked right back in there. Well, guys, I guess my takeaway from that little drive was, well, at first, I didn't notice a lot, and I'll tell you what I did notice. So the truck actually seemed really slow, like unusually slow, maybe even a little bit slower than normal, and it didn't have to do with the zero fuel plate and the AFC housing. That's not why it was slow. It just seemed like maybe everything was just cold, like the transmission, everything was just really slow, and it was really cold, and it was just making it delayed. And what I mean by that is this thing hasn't been ran in a long time and driven on the road in lots of weeks. So it's been a long time for that kind of stuff, because I've driven it before and it was a lot faster when the last time I remember driving it going down the road, but it also was a lot warmer that time of year. It was late summer. You know, we were still using it a little bit here and there, driving it down the road back and forth a little bit that time. I don't know what the difference was. Maybe it's just in my mind, because now I drive my dually, which for some reason, I don't know why my dually seems way freaking faster than that thing right now compared to this test drive. But like I said, I don't know, it was weird. But I can also tell you, when I first put it into drive, when it was parked in the barn, from it sitting here that whole time, didn't even want to drive. I was giving it about 1500 RPM and the tires were still barely turning forward. I'm not entirely sure what that means, but I can tell you, like I said, it's been sitting there a long time. Maybe the transmission was just a little bit, I don't know, it was just slow. So I don't know what that has to do with anything. That's what I noticed. Let me know what that might be down in the comments below, or is it just that it sat for so long, everything's just kind of needs to be moved again, needs to get shifted through stuff, get it warmed up. Otherwise, it's gonna just run slow. I just got all the trucks pressure washed down. Wish I had more video for you guys today. It's already like the end of the day. I spent half of my day, I was gonna get some video of that, but I spent half of my day packaging up shop shirts and stuff, and those aren't for the giveaway. Those were for sales that I did a little while back, and it just takes a while to do. But yeah, all those decals are sold out. Gas guzzler ones, the diesel truck decals, those are all gone. But we do still have the shirts in the Team LMP with this logo on the back, the big logo on the back, the small one up in the corner. Team LMP t-shirts. Guys, we only need to sell 7 more to meet the goal. Can we do it? I think we can do it. If we can, awesome. Please, please, please order a t-shirt. If you don't want to, I get it. I understand. So it really helps out. But you know, money don't grow on trees. Everybody's got things they got to take care of. Just thought I would put that out there again for you guys. Also, we're going to do kind of a review on the KingRanch coming up here. Maybe another little drive. I guess like an overall review and what we're noticing different with the truck. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. You guys have been absolutely awesome, and I really, really mean that. You guys are phenomenal. And when I say we have the best family on YouTube, I mean, I couldn't ask for a better group of guys to be watching the videos every day, participating in, you know, the giveaways and buying the merch and stuff like that. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. Leave a like on this video, drop some comments down below. Subscribe if you are new, join the family, join the team, get that shirt, join the team. Team Loud and Proud, link in description. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.